Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a nice day all. I'm Rewang Febri Studi from English Department 3A and today I wanna give you a tutorial how to operate hot potatoes application. So let's begin. First open the hot potatoes application and you will found this. So you have to choose one of them, and in this occasion I will choose G Cruise, yeah, for make an assignment. So this is such a riddle. Yes, this is the screen you can see. And at first all you have to do is give the title. What is the title for the example? The name of fruit and animal. Now, after this, we have to click this one, create a grid list automatically. Okay, after you click, you will see this, yeah. So, enter each word or phrase on a separate line. Here we go. Maybe apa ya? Dragon, or dragon fruit. Oh yeah, dragon fruit. And then what else? Maybe eagle, yeah. Eagle. So this is fruit and this is animal. Okay, this is just for the example. And then click this one, make the grid. So this is the screen of the riddle. After this, you have to make the clues. So here we go. Add the clues. Just click this one, click on a word and write down here. I mean that take it. So for dragon fruit, what? Maybe fruits that have that have uh, the same name with a animal, yeah, dragon. Okay, don't forget to click OK here. So this is the words and this is the clues. Next, eagle. What is eagle? Large bird. What else? Prey with a massive hook bill, yeah. Very expensive. Don't forget to click OK. Then click OK here to fix it all. Okay, yay, yay, yay. So we are finished. Finish this assignment, this riddle. So don't forget to save this exercise to the disk. Yeah, here we go. Save. Write down the file name. You can write down here. Tasia J cross, yeah. Okay, click save. Yes, guys, we have finished this tutorial of hot potatoes application, and I'm sorry for the mistake here. Thank you very much for your attention, and last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a nice day.